What's up, people? My name is Alika, and this is my first YouTube video. I figured I'd do it on my brow since I get a lot of questions on how I do them, and I usually tell people to watch YouTube, so why not make my own video? But here we go. This is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel, and I'm using this on an angled brush. First, I will brush up my natural hairs with a spoolie, and then I'll apply this starting from the bottom. Taking my time outlining the shape that I want, and I usually follow the little brow bone shape anyway. And I do not start from the very beginning, it will be too harsh if you do that. And then I'll go to the top and do the same thing, adding more product when I need to. Then I'll create my little arch and connect it to the bottom to make the tail, and then I'll fill it in using that same angled brush. And then I fill it in as bold as I want to, depending on how I'm feeling that day. And then going to the next one, you can see a little closer how I don't start at the very beginning because you don't want it to be too bold and harsh. I want it to look as natural as possible. And then when that's done, I usually take my spoolie again and brush them inward first to fade the very front. And then I'll brush up and over just to blend the product in, and then I'll brush my hairs that are sticking up over so they lay down. And then blend the product so it's not too patchy, like that little spot there. And then I'll take either concealer or a foundation. That day I use foundation, and I use the tiniest amount, even that was a little too much. But I use that on a flat brush and go on the very bottom as well and clean up. Like I said, I use the smallest amount to clean up. I do not want the halo brow look. That is not attractive. And then do the top as well, trying to stick with that natural brow shape. And then when that is done, I will use whatever is left on the very end of the brow or beginning of the brow to try to fade it a little bit more. And there's the finished product. I do have that video for my eyes. If you guys want to see that, comment down below. Give this video a like. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Until then, you guys be blessed.